If you're new to pickleball or thinking about upgrading your paddle, choosing the right one can really change your game. With so many options out there, it can be tough to find the best one that suits your style. Whether you're looking for more control, power, or a mix of both, the right paddle can make all the difference. In this video, I've rounded up the top pickleball paddles for 2025, and I'll guide you through the features that matter most. By the end, you'll know exactly which paddle is right for you. If you're ready, let's dive in. Number 5. SixZero Double Black Diamond Control. For the past month, SixZero Double Black Diamond has taken my game to a whole new level. This paddle is a total champ, delivering both incredible performance and unbeatable value. While I still love the CRBN X Series, the Double Black Diamond gives me better feel and control. The slightly shorter handle has noticeably improved my hand speed, and I feel completely in control during every shot. Plus, it's super comfortable for two-handed backhands, making a real difference in my game. If you prefer a softer feel and need a longer 5.5-inch handle, the CRBN X could be the better option for you. But if handle control and speed are your priorities, the Double Black Diamond's 5.3-inch handle hits the sweet spot. And here's the best part, the Double Black Diamond is priced at just $162, compared to around $205 for the CRBN X with a discount. Both paddles are excellent, but for me, the Double Black Diamond is the clear winner. If you're ready to level up your game, this paddle is a no-brainer. Number 4. Vatic Pro Prism. Flash, ready to meet the paddle that'll make you unbeatable on the court. Introducing the Vatic Pro Prism Flash, a game-changer that combines performance and control with its standout carbon fiber build. This paddle takes your game to the next level with its powerful spin and exceptional control. And the best part? It's surprisingly affordable for such high quality. With its durable design, it's built to last through casual matches and intense tournaments alike. The comfortable grip and balanced feel boost your confidence every time you step onto the court. Sure, the head-heavy design and sweet spot consistency might take some getting used to, but once you adjust, you'll feel the difference in your game immediately. Bottom line, the Vatic Pro Prism Flash delivers unmatched spin, power, and control, a true bang-for-your-buck masterpiece. Number 3. Pickleball Apes Pulse. Every player has their own story on the court, so which racket is going to write yours? The Pulse Phi is designed to change the rhythm of your game. With a performance that grows as you do, it makes every hit feel like a memorable moment. With its extended tone range and increased dwell time, it's perfect for players who want to make an impact. Imagine a racket that demands more with every strike and adapts to you. That's Pulse V. The Pulse S is the go-to choice for those who crave balance and consistency. This racket stands out for its versatility and gives you the edge in any game. You'll adapt to it instantly, with no need for a learning curve. Its reliable performance will never let you down, making sure you stay on top of your game. The Pulse E is perfect for players who like to push the limits. Offering more reach and leverage, it's the racket of choice for those focused on spin. You'll surprise your opponents with single shots and take control of the game with deep, powerful strokes. So, which Pulse racket suits your playstyle? It's time to stand out on the court and write your own story. Number 2. CRBN X Series. Ready to meet the new star of pickleball courts? The CRBN Power X Series might just change your game forever. CRBN has made a name for itself alongside big players like Selkirk and Jula. The original CRBN 1 and 2 paddles were a hit, loved for their incredible control and spin capabilities. But let's be honest, some players wanted a little extra power. Well, the wait is over. Enter the Power X Series. The 16mm CRBN 1X and 2X paddles bring you the same balance and forgiveness as the originals, but now with that extra pop you've been craving. And with both 16mm and 14mm thickness options, there's something for every playstyle. Are they perfect? Not quite. There are a few minor drawbacks, but there's no denying the Power X Series raises the bar for pickleball performance. Take your game to the next level with CRBN Power X. Number 1. Selkirk Amped Pro. If you're a fan of the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air, I've got some exciting news for you. The new Amped Pro Air takes everything you loved about the Power Air and offers it with just a little less of what you didn't. Let's take a closer look at what makes this paddle so special. While the extra power in the Power Air is great for many players, sometimes you can feel like you're sacrificing too much control, right? That's where the Amped Pro Air steps in. This new model tones down the too much power feeling from the Power Air and gives you a lot more control on every shot. Now you can place the ball exactly where you want without worrying about those little mistakes. This paddle is not only super sleek and eye-catching, but it also delivers when it comes to performance. Honestly though, I think there are other paddles on the market that might give you a better all-around court experience. But if looks and solid durability are what you're after, the Amped Pro Air really stands out with its fantastic warranty and dependable performance. If you're looking for the perfect balance between power and control, and you want that confidence in every hit, then the Amped Pro Air could be exactly what you need. Everything you want is right here.